Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute and good looking stitch. Both sides are looking same, it's reversible. You can use this for the blankets, bags, maybe rectangular shawls or hats, anywhere you want. And hope you like this one too. I'm gonna use a category 3 wool yarn and a matching 4.5mm hook. We are gonna use only single crochets and it's just one row repeat, so beginners can easily make it. Don't worry about it, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below. It's totally free. If you are ready, we can start now. Start with the slip knots. And for this stitch, you will need an odd number. You can start with any odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14, 15. I think that's good. Now, yarn over, insert into this second stitch from the hook. Don't count this. That's the first, that's the second. Insert, grab the yarn. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all. That's a half double crochet. We will only use this half double crochet in the beginning and at the end. Okay? Or you can make a loose single crochet here. Insert into, without chaining, insert into this next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it. Make this loop a little bit longer than the usual. Okay? Insert into this next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Then make a chain. And that's all. Now we use this stitch. We are going to insert into this next stitch. Grab the yarn, pull it. Insert into the next. Grab the yarn, pull it. Yarn over, pull through all. Make a chain. Insert into the next. And next. Pull through all. Make a chain. Oops. We are going to repeat this till the end. I'm making the last one. Then make a chain. And we have one more chain here. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn. Yarn over and pull through all. Chain 1, turn. This second row will be our repeat for all along. Okay? We will make the same thing, but we are gonna use the back loops. Okay, I'm gonna show you. You see, that's the stitch. Front loop and back loop. Starting from here, we will always use the back loops. Now insert into this first stitch back loop. Make a half double crochet. insert without chaining, insert into the next one, pull yarn, into the next one, pull yarn, pull through, or make a chain. Insert into the next stitch, back loop, make a chain. 1, 2, 1, 2 single crochets together, then make a chain. Make a chain, and into this last stitch back loop, make a half double crochet. Chain 1, turn, it looked like that, that's the right side, and we are gonna repeat the same thing. A half double, 2 singles together. It's very easy to work with this stitch. You can just watch something and make this without worrying about the pattern, and hope you like this one. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.